Hello students, welcome back to your English class. Today we will do writing section, and in writing section we will do letter writing. You all have done letter writing in your previous classes, but do you know there is a particular format to write a letter? Now, what is letter writing? It is an art of writing. Letter writings are of two types. Actually, letters are of two types: formal and informal. When we write letter to principal or class teacher, editors, they are called formal letters, that is official letters. And when we write letters to our friends, relatives and all our near and dear ones, those letters are called informal letters. Now, there are some more differences which is written on the board. So, have a look at the board. Hope the board is clear to you, students. Letter writing. I told two types. Letters are of two types: formal and informal. Now, what are the differences? In formal letter, we use formal language, and this type of letters are written as official purposes. This type of letters are written in official purposes like editor, officer, class teacher, principal, etc. Now, informal letter, here we write casual language or in ordinary language like chit-chat language which we speak. And this type of letters are written to friends, relatives. For example, when you write letter to your uncle, cousin, friend, father, this type of letters are called as informal letters. So students, I told you that today we will be doing informal letter. And I told you regarding the format. So see the format. First of all, we will be writing sender's address, that is a person who is writing the letter. For example, if I am writing a letter, I will be writing my address here, a detailed address with your house number, quarter number, sector and Bokaro Steel City or the place and the district. Then after the sender's address, you will be writing date, and you will be writing the date in this format, that is 8 May 2020. Then comes salutation. Salutation means to whom you are writing the letter. Like if I am writing the letter to my father, it will be dear father. If I am writing it to my friend, it will be dearest friend or my dear Rohit. Okay. Then comes the body, that is the content of the letter, whatever information you want to give. And at last comes the subscription, that is we will be writing yours truly or yours lovingly. Now when we are writing here yours, we will write S here, but we will not put any apostrophe sign. And then after subscription, you will write your own name. Okay, let me repeat it once again now. This format, when you will start, you will write everything at the left hand side of the copy. That is just near the margin, you will start the address. So it will be sender's address, that is your address or anyone who is writing the letter. Then comes the date. After that, it is salutation, that is dear father or dearest Rohit, my dear Rohit. Then comes the body, that is the content. And then subscription, that is yours lovingly, yours truly. And at last, you will put your name and signature. It is not necessary that signature will be there, but then at least you should put your name at the end. Now students, let us see an example of informal letter. We write friendly letters to friends and relatives to exchange news or information. Read this letter from Natasha to her friend Nisha. Now first of all, as I told in the format, sender's address. See the sender's address here, 45 Butterfly Gardens, Delhi. Next comes the date, that is 16th August 2019. then the salutation, dear Nisha, and then comes the body. Now have you observed, students? The sender's address, date, salutation, all are written at the left hand side just near the margin and one after another. So you have to also follow the same pattern. Now the content, that is the body of the letter. Thanks for your letter. I was thrilled, that means happy. I was thrilled to receive it right before my performance. I believe it may have been my lucky charm since I won the prize for Best Actor that evening. Then a change of paragraph. Yes, I can hardly believe it. All our love for acting and the hours spent working on our voices and expressions last summer has paid off. Again, change in paragraph. We will meet at Aunt Reva's graduation ceremony next month. Won't we? Question tag. I can't wait to see you and tell you about all that is happening in my life. Hope to hear from you soon. So the body is over now. Now comes the subscription. Sign off and name. I wrote it there in the format subscription and name. So here, lots of love, Natasha. Now see the letter properly and have a look at the format once again. Sender's address, date, salutation, body, and then subscription and name. Now students, I will upload another video where letter writing, that is art of writing, has been explained very clearly and the difference between formal and informal letter has also been explained very clearly to you all. Now after this example, we will do one letter writing. Students, you are supposed to note down this letter in your English grammar copy. So take out your copy, write the date and the heading as letter writing. Then in the next line, the heading of the letter. Letter to uncle telling him about your new school. Now as I have said in the format, the first comes the address, that is sender's address. Here you have to write this address only, that is 10 Naya Bazar, Meerut, Kant. Second, the date, May 4, 2020. You can write this date also or you can write today's date when you are seeing the video. Next comes the salutation, my dear uncle. Hope you have written this. And have you watched? All these things are written at the left hand side of the page, that is near the margin, and one after another in separate line. So you will also follow the same pattern. Next, body of the letter. You know, comma, and you will write this word you just below my in a separate line, that is the next line. You know, comma, Daddy got his posting at Meerut. Daddy got his posting at Meerut and we have got a good house in Meerut, Kant. Full stop. And we have got a good house in Meerut, Kant. Full stop. Daddy has put me in St. Anne's High School. Full stop. The school is indeed very good. The school is indeed very good. Full stop. It has a huge building. It has a huge building with lovely lawns around. With lovely lawns around. Full stop. We have playgrounds for all games and sports. Full stop. We have playgrounds for all games and sports. Full stop. The library has a good number of storybooks. Full stop. A good number of storybooks. Full stop. We can get and read whatever books we like. Full stop. Whatever books we like. Full stop. We have music, dance, craft, gardening and many other activities. We have music, dance, craft, gardening and many other activities. Full stop. Saturdays are great fun. Full stop. We have matches, film shows and even inter-class competitions. Full stop. We have matches, film shows and even inter-class competitions. Full stop. I have already made a good number of friends. Full stop. I have already made a good number of friends. Full stop. Teachers here are very caring and helpful. Teachers here are very caring and helpful. Full stop. I like my new school very much. Full stop. I like my new school very much. Full stop. How is Renu? Question mark. Do remember me to her and auntie. Full stop. Do remember me to her and auntie. That means to tell about you to Renu and aunt. Now the body is over. In the next line, it is subscription. Yours affectionately. Yours affectionately. And in the next line, you will put your name. In the next line, you will put your name. Have a look at the letter, students, properly. Address, date, salutation, body, subscription and name. Hope you have completed the letter. So you are going to write this letter in your English grammar copy, and I will send one more letter in the assignment section in form of PDF file in tab. You are supposed to note down that letter also. So in your grammar copy, 2 letters should be there. This one and the one I will send through N tab. Thank you.